I'm a physician who believes in evidence-based science. I'm also old, approaching my own last chapter from pancreatic cancer. I share this not to engender pity, none. Rather, I share this in order to give you a sense of my potential bias as I write about the question, do we have a spirit or soul that is more than a brain chemical reaction that will go away at death? Of course, the ultimate answer to that question is nobody knows. Some archaeologists believe that religion first began when someone wondered what happened to the life force or spirit of a young boy after he died. Where did it go? Archaeologists speculate that job one for the early church, and for that matter, churches of today, was to reassure and comfort the family after the death of a dear one. However, just because it reassures us doesn't prove the soul exists. There are other experiences that do that. I remember my mother explaining to me one night before prayers that there is so much more going on than we know, so much that cannot be explained by physics and chemistry. She described waking up in the middle of the night in the Minneapolis bedroom during World War II, filled with dread at the same moment that my dad was landing on some Pacific island in full combat. That was something about which she could not have known due to radio or mail silence. How did she know? Do we have a spiritual connection we simply don't understand? Are we never truly alone? During my career, at least 3 patients described a near-death experience with all its typical raiment, including an out-of-body experience, a warm and comforting light, a life review like a movie, and reassurance that there is nothing to fear about dying. A recent meta-survey indicated that this happens in about 17% of people who are resuscitated, and in equal percentages throughout all cultures and religions. It is also amazing to learn that the warm light is seen even by people blind from birth. Even as a stubborn science-based guy, together with years of experience as a geriatric internist and hospice director, I truly find a community faith with a loving and inclusionary church very reassuring. I have reason to believe that there is a spirit within us that connects us all and that doesn't die with our bodies. I have been at the bedsides of many dying people while their spirits lift from the body and pass through the porthole of eternity. Being there has brought me to believe that the soul is more than a brain chemical reaction that goes away after death.